My people, no be small thing, no. A lot of things happen today wey I wan bring come show una today. More na see as e take dey go. As we dey talk right now, they say that the Nigerian army wey dey for Abia, they don collect wetin they dey call iwoto. My people, they say that one man on the run, the other shoe on the front. As e be like this now, most of them no even know where be road o and where be the bush o. Oh, things are really happening in southeast as we dey talk right now. Let me bring you this video make you see, because we don dey shout of this checkpoint everywhere. What is happening? Why is checkpoint doing? I don use my money buy ticket go many world, we travel everywhere. I no dey see this cement and sand wey dey pack put for road. Are we in the war zone? What is going on? You can only find this kind thing where there is a war zone. See people, the military digging ditches, putting blockage, to face their enemy. But what is happening in southeast? What is actually happening? My people, let me bring you the video. So some videos will be muted, but just watch them. May you see wetin play for there. Then before we jump inside other ogbonge news. As we dey talk right now, do you know say Nigeria don enter for the top country wey be say na dem dey buy Christians pass? Hey, e don red o. They say US don conclude say Tinubu na person wey dey carry unto drug. He say na Tinubu na drug lord o. Say Tinubu dey go pick am very soon o. Very soon na go dey found na president. Let us watch the videos of wetin happen for Abia before we come back and continue.
We are removing it. We are removing it. Alex Yoma Otti. We are removing it. Alex, we are giving you people order. Alex, we are giving you people order. We say we don't need this kind of nonsense again. Today is 13th. Today is 13th. 13th of November. 13th of November. 13th of November 2024. Alex, we are dismantling this checkpoint and we are giving you a direct order. We are giving you a direct order. We are giving you a direct order not to come close. If we see this nonsense again, Alex, you are gone. If we see this nonsense again, Alex.
Man, the mama general on the year said, Leha, as our military. They say they be military. Say, they went in Ruha now.
Firemen are good to go.
Orugo now today. Orugo now today. That was 13th November. That 13th November.
As that one dey happen, they say the Yoruba Nations group, they say the Yoruba Nation, they don't come outside. They say they go back Biafra. If Nigeria government they ever try, say they want go fight these people back. Say what waiting that they ask now for their freedom and nothing but the freedom. My people, no be small thing. No make I bring the video come for you. May you watch before we jump inside to another Ogbonge news.
On to the Israel, the Biafra will need weapons as well to protect themselves. And I hope the world will not look back and think that if the situation of what played out when the British was fighting the Biafra, this time around the game is changing over. we will not accept as Yoruba that the government will continue to attack the Biafra. Should the government attack the Biafra, we would also call for a defense to support the Biafra when that time comes. We will make sure that we put everything in mechanism, from the media to everybody on the ground, to support the Biafra when the federal government attacks them. If the federal government attacks the Biafra, we have every right to protect them and defend them inside their territory and outside their territory. We will make sure we do that. So be warned that if the federal government attacked the Biafra, we would have no choice to defend and support the Biafra against invaders, because that is what is called invaders. So let us all prepare for what is about to happen. We will support the Biafra if the government attack them. If the government use weapons to attack them, we will carry arms to also protect the Biafra against the attackers. Listen to this very well. If the federal government attack the Biafra, we would have no choice to be armed to the teeth and go around in there and protect them, because we would not allow what the British did in 1967 anymore again in the territory. We will make sure that we send people down there to fight, just as we know when the fight of the Ukraine started, they were asking for support. So the Biafra government, be rest assured that Koiki Media will continue to tell the international community that you need enough weapon to protect yourself as your declaration is getting closer. Let's go back quickly.
My wonderful people, as that one day happen, I want you to also watch this video and hear it from your own ear, that Nigeria is the worst and the top one of the country where they buy the Christians. Just watch the video.
Nigeria is the #1 nation on earth for Christian genocide, by a factor of 10. More Christians are killed here for their faith than anywhere else in the world. At the same time, Nigeria is home to 8 of the 10 richest pastors in the world. And I think those things are directly correlated. The body of Christ in Nigeria has all the wealth, all the resources, all the people, all the influence it needs to clean this place up and make it a wonderful place, safe and secure and equitable. The body of Christ has that, but there's a virus that has infected that body of Christ, we call the prosperity gospel, which is really a satanic teaching that takes the attention of believers off of Jesus and off of serving others, and it puts them on themselves and their own bank account. And I did a lot of research and asking people I know and trust here, who should I speak with about this? Who is leading the charge to speak the truth? And they said Dr. Damina is the one. And
my wonderful people, welcome back. Please, as you don't watch this video finish, may you quickly go now, go follow our new page, Balabas G's Vlog, and also follow us on our main page, Balabas G's as well. My people, it don't read though. I say it don't read for inside this country. The international community are watching current news where they break out now. They say that is some top that is institute for inside America. Don't come outside, can't tell us say Tunumbu. He said the condition where Tunumbu don't put Nigeria now with the drug. He said very soon. If you be say they go Fiko Pikamo and you know good for the international community for somebody like that to be a president of Nigeria, he don't read. I bet wanna share this video and make sure say they drop your own opinion for inside comment section and they share the video. Let us know what you think. So we are sorry say we they bring this update late, but as it they hot, we still did there. My people, more wanna watch the video and share.